vanakkam. We show mother, Tayarku vanakkam. We say father. Then Jodi Sakura we say. So all every day you need to yaka your mother. So American people they are no understand. They think cake them. So Mother Nature, your date of birth, no any date, star only. There's a many star, your star there now. There's a many star there. You are star there. So if you know your karma, your body inside chakra, Mother Nature problem. Now Mother Nature inside virus, sun no problem. When you breathing in the sun air, is a pancha prana. You know pancha prana meaning pancha. That is a way they say pranam one, abanam one, samanam one. There's air different samanam one. They have. Then you see that the way samanam over Vaiva one say samanam ki pravandu udanan and viyanan. So pancha pranangal. How do when you morning wake up? You are when morning wake up, when the sun air automatic working your all chakra, 6 chakra work, then the open your chakra, Sahasrara chakra, then oxygen come to very fast, 1 minute come to go to the your scent of liver, there's a liver. Then rotation going every day, every second going in the Pancha Vayu. So in the natural sun, nothing problem, sun little bit problem, Shiva and Shakti. So sun inside Shiva Shakti, you know Shiva inside Shakti. So that Shakti not enough now. That is we are asthma, little problem come. So nature inside we make the damage. Nature nothing problem. So we are inside now in the coronavirus. This also a virus meaning we have to clean. So now you think the virus come, so the planets, 9 planets inside Vaiva 1. Sudden Vayu inside, that is also Vaiva 1. You know, 9 planets inside Vaiva 1. That Vaiva 1, this Vayu. Abanam, Udanan, Samanan, Viyanan, this Vaiva 1. This working in the planet inside put, you know, Mars planet all put inside Vayu, but never come out, you know. Come to from sun only Vayu come, never leak. So you make leak air. You make Vayu one, you leak the gas, everything. So he never make it, only leak from sun. So he cover already 9 planets, you know, 9 planets, different Vayu one working for you. So why you want to go there, planets? So 9 planets working, the 9 planets working, you see sun and moon, the 9 planets inside Vayu one. Different Vayu one come to all, continue come to earth, and sun is a complete, moon is a complete, is a Shakti. That place you do now, why you want to do meditation, Kali Yuga? Why you open in the Satakale, there's a 1 meter there up, Shakti come. You can never see 2 meet like that. There's a black hole, but in the Shakti you have. Sun and moon is a black hole, they say. There's a whole surrounding, cosmic power up is a star, your star. So when you do meditation, you have star cleaning. Everybody, your husband and mother, children, everybody have to do meditation now, value. That's a messenger come. The message, Urdhra Tandavam, they say Tandavam, Shiva Tandavam. So Shiva Tandavam, I bring to you today, you don't see Shiva. Okay? This Shiva Tandavam, okay. This Shiva Tandavam, you make white down sound, Koi Nadam. This sound all, why make people to come control to your third eyes? You come to temple, you want the third eye sound. The sound all come to air. For me, no air. Om. I am here with you talk. Paralohame. Pulohame. Loham. Loham. From Loham, the sound all is, he take me. That is the planet inside. He make air, we are Om, 5 elements. Man, neer, this is a water, fire, you know fire, and the air, vayu, this is a vayu. Vayu, with that air. This air, open air. That's a 1 meter air come to all oxygen come to you, all each chakra. 6 chakra you have to work. 6 chakra work, one shot work, open your Sahasrara. So that means you come and when you do walk, morning wake up, automatic working your oxygen. Nothing, you are doing meditation. So now you do open, sit down to meditation, you taking cosmic power to nature join. You 9 planets and you and sun, moon, you helping for nature. So today everybody Mother Days, you have to do meditation. So I talked yesterday, but I talked Tamil language. But something you understand, suppose you know the religion system you know. If American people, this religion, you know, the Shiva Chidambaram Rakasiyam, top 6, this is Chidambaram. This is Eastern come India. So you also the breathing Tandavan, you know. So there's a 3 breathing, you know, here. 1, your body. The mother inside, baby, 3 body. Your body inside, Sukamo, you know the physical body, stubble body, causal body. Causal body, Sukama body is like you can never see eyes. So that body come to you, servant your mother inside, your mother, the stomach inside baby, 7 months, your blood and your vida. See, your vida make the baby, come complete, all finished, come 7 months, Sukama. This is a body, stubble body, you can never see. With chakra all fitting. When operation, you can never see the chakra. Correct? You can. So the chakra all inside fit. Then in 8 months, he give wisdom, jnanam. Your baby 9 months stomach inside, he give jnanam. So 9 months, he give jnanam. After 10 months, all complete, your causal body complete, baby inside. Then baby from 2 born air, out. All you go. When you come fall down, now problem, he come out air coronavirus inside earth. So now earth inside virus. So baby what to do? Sun air good, but baby inside chakra, if you do meditation before do, the 7 month after baby, 8, 9, 10 month, you are breathing. The baby doing. So you are breathing, your chakra what? All chakra work, that is a way going breathing. So if you do meditation, you are cosmic power bring inside baby, baby then come out, change, nice baby come, your seed, DNA change. That does a messenger come, keep everybody come do, they keep to Paramatma. With Paramatma he give message. So yesterday I talked with Tamil, but I used to English, whatever I know I talk you. So but you understand what? Mother, today Mother Days. So every day Mother Days. When baby out, I age 13 open age chakra again Malaysia. Age of 13, 14, again open all school. Do meditation children, do never come virus. So if you do meditation, never enter any virus. So with this Abanavayu, first you see Brahma. Brahmavayu, you are so Anma working. Baby out, first baby out, no sound, he come already. How work? This Panchavayu. You need first start Pranam. You Pranam, Anma, working. Slowly work. After that, your DNA, you know, sperm and your urine and set, let all working. You baby come and let you want to go urine, it will work from air. After your jiranam, you know, you eat the food, digest food, digest food, digest. This color, green color. You need green color. This one, yellow color, manchal, yellow color. Now they want the medicine, yellow. What medicine? This is from cosmic power, the medicine inside from air. This big, I tell you. Then after come back, the voice. Your baby come, wah! This voice and sound. You know the sound you come here. This is the way your sound. Your sound will change. That is a Vaibhavan. That is a Udanam. This one Samana. You know Samana meaning You know why one? Udanan meaning in the wind seat, everything. This one, your green color, you want it digest food, you need sabanam, why? The wife samanan. So they punch out. Other one, Udanan. Udanan need your voice. Udanan wife. So after come back, your mind. You know, mind and nadi, everything, Vienan Vayu. This Pancha Pranam already, baby, in the mind you work. Then after, wow, coming baby sound. So now we do meditation. You have coronavirus come. First problem is catching.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
so what medicine you need? Udana Vayu, what problem Vayu? Udana Vayu problem? To
Yeah.
from voice? Sound you need? Okay. Another Anma oxygen need what you want? What why you want? Branam. Branam need yellow color you need. Then you jiranam. You need green. What why you want? You need to why you want. Samana why you want. Samana you need to work with the vida. Vida you know be sit. You want to change. Your vida change samana why. Jiranam you need to the. You see I say you correctly. You don't understand. Udanan. Then you see the voice. You need to why udanan. Samanan udan why. This one you need everything be anan. This all color, you miss 7 color, you come to medicine. You make paint, you are paint shop. You make many color, miss. Same meditation you, 6 color comes, all miss, oxygen come for your why what. Another thing I tell you, your Sukuma body inside, Panchaprana. You know Panchaprana meaning? You know Panchaprana? Panchaprana, first in the Sukuma body, inside comes Sukuma body. Okay, Panchapranam 5, Kamendran 5, Indra, you understand, Jnanendra, Pranendra 5, your Anma, then your Putti knowledge, all 17, this is a Linga, Shiva Linga. So your body, Sukuma inside. After, you know, Sukuma, you know, causal, now it is a body, your body only. This one, all 17, your body. Sukuma body inside, Sukuma body, your karma vasana. Your karma what? Sukuma, but inside 10 prana. 10 prana vali Sukuma inside. Your mother inside, baby come, Sukuma 10 prana. I talk now 10 pranam, Sukuma with Paramatma. So I am zero. Then you are to do meditation. Then you need to, Paramatma, know, understand why you have physical body, trouble body, you know, causal body. This all know, you do meditation, after you know it's a Paramatma air, when you meditation do, you feel. That's a Paramatma, keep Jivatma for food, you are cosmic power air Paramatma. So Shiva Tandavam, Tandavam. This Tandavam Urtharam. So he say now scientists going, the planets all checking inside why, you never leak, you know problem, you coming only, but you can, when operation you can see a chakra. Doctor never see. Same you go planets up, you can never see inside. You going to sun for air, you only working, you outside rounding. So same operation you kitchi do, your chakra nothing problem, causal body nothing problem, correct? The Sukama body, you know Sukama body means trouble body. Physical. You know when you meditation, you out and travel with chakra, going up and come.
Soul body.
Soul come inside, again go inside. That way, now you do meditation, Mother Day, you have to do meditation, nature repair. So now people know, you can come here. Here come now coronavirus. If you do all chakra meditation, no. But you put nuclear problem, we die. You must think. Now, third war come, America keep nuclear. So all Japan damage, all earth damage, now the punishment America, go. So big problem. So you damage it my earth, motherland. Today Mother Day, you are dying 60-year-old mother old. Why die 60-year-old? You never get divine bliss. I am divine bliss. You need to perumbam. That is you take perumbam. Then is the Om Namah Shivaya, 5 elements. No perumbam, you are no Om Shivaya. So you are no divine bliss, you will never 5 element balance. You have to do meditation, all chakra, 21 minutes now we start to meditation, get oxygen, then you could, your body already, you get perumbam, that is your body, sukha body, kosal body, sabal body, three all join, then Paramatma calling, that time you put kavasam, the seal for you, then no enter any virus. So virus meaning everybody cell, your cell, million cell, 20,000 cell, you cleaning. But when clean, you put cloth money washing, this one clean. I know, he clean and take me. Only I am messenger. Nobody knows. For me no om. I know. After om, inside your life, you need om. You need 5 elements, balance your life. So now earth is a 5 no elements. So as that was we are doing, Malaysia finished, I come to New Zealand. Today I make Mother Days for you, how to open chakra, teach your people, mother, father teach, your children, you to go God, that is I come to. This message I give simple message. So you understand now I talk. Do meditation and then never do meditation, this me think I am mental man. Correct? They will see. First I come New Zealand, your old people think I am mental man. What are you talking? Is mental? Is Pitan. Shiva is a cosmic dance.
Yeah.
So now I put cosmic dance. I forward talk Tamil, cosmic dance. After that 10 minutes I talk, you record. That's the talk. First part I talk already. Now second part going message. First part I talk Tamil, now I talk English. Now you do meditation. After that, we perumbam, he will go. So you do meditation now. Okay?